Popping boba and agar boba production line is developed and patent protected by ZY Machine, and we are still the only factory that can manufacture this kind of machine in China so far. It adopts PLC and SERVO control system and with fully automatic processing design. The whole production line is made of stainless steel and it is fully complying with the food sanitation standards. The popping boba and agar boba that made by this machine is in beautiful shape and filling can be any taste, bright color and weight is without variation. The popping boba and agar boba can be used in bubble tea, juice, ice cream, cake decoration and egg tart filling, frozen yogurt, and etc. It is new developed and healthy products which can be used in many food products items. Other character of the production line.